ship is now under the control of the First Order.
We've picked up unusual scanning activity. Looks like we found the source. The First Order will be watching you.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how.
Good afternoon, and thank you for visiting Disney's Hollywood Studios. At this time, boarding routes for Star Wars Rise of the Resistance are full.
Good afternoon, ETT squad. The summer crowds are back. Look at this. We're going to Rise of the Resistance right now. We got our boarding pass for 1:30, and we got to get there quick. But look at I just wanted to show you the crowds. We're doing a vlog today, so we'll have that ready. As soon as we catch up with our other videos, this will be a video too. So I'll take you inside Rise of the Resistance. We'll check it out with people with no face mask on, the cast. So it'll be completely different. What happened? Oh no, ETT squad, we have our boarding pass for 1:30. And now we get here, and it's down. Oh no, Grogu, he's sleeping right now. He's gonna be so upset. What's going on right now?
We just got a disturbance in the Force, so we're having to just close down to make sure that the First Order doesn't find our operation.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
If the Resistance spies in this outpost, we'll find her. Wait right there. You again. Didn't we warn you to stay clear of this sector? Didn't we warn you to stay away from this sector? Hold on. And I wonder why you're here. Unless you're trying to get arrested. Good day, young one. Are you trying to get arrested? Exactly why it won't happen. Come forward. Calm down, citizen.
No, Grogu is just taking a nap right now in our establishment. Woke him up. He's gonna eat a snack. He loves pistachios. For some reason, he loves pistachios. But are you ready for Rise of the Resistance? He's ready. He's like wondering what's going on. You want your snacky snack? Look, he brought his. I love ETT squad. I love pistachios, and Grogu, he just loves them. You want some? He's too busy spying on the First Order. We don't know what's going on. Yeah, he's busy. So what's going on with ETT squad? Hopefully, Rise of the Resistance, we can walk in. Let's go check it out. Let's go. Yeah. This is gonna be so cool. We need to film. We need to get Grogu. Wake up Grogu. Look, and they still have the shields. They're taking the shields off in a lot of rides. But Rise of the Resistance, they have some shields, which is not that bad, right? We don't mind the shield, right, Lovey? He's doing a little spying right now. Grogu, come on. Enough spying. Yeah, his eyes are...
How do we do that?
He's alive. He's real.
Oh,
Grogu.
that's right. He's real. There you go.
Doing his magical powers again right now. It'll definitely be a different experience with cast with no mask on. You'll see their smiles, so it's going to be interesting to see the way they interact with Grogu. I don't know what they're going to think about Grogu. When? What do you mean before? Oh yeah, before, that's true. Grogu, what do you think? You get to actually see some of their faces. He's going to be happy. We got a secret area here at the Rise of Resistance. He wants a couple of detonators because he wants to do some stuff for the First Order to get the stormtroopers. This is so different because remember we used to stand on a dot? There's no 6 feet anymore, no dots.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for Picard. hyperdrive also.
Take all the time.
Good. There's been sensor. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Hi.
Red check.
B5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch.
This ship is now under the control of the First Order. You will disembark at once and proceed down the corridor for interrogation. Now, off the ship!
Suspicious behavior may result in interrogation. Enjoy your day. Watch that curiosity, citizens.
You heard his blaster? Oh, now they keep us in here for a while instead of moving right in. Awesome.
Have you seen resistance activity here? If you do, report it at once. If there's one Jedi left, it's not you.
Go quickly. Now.
I want to see your badge.
Go quickly.
We want to see your ID. Your identification.
They're the ones that asked for an identification here.
Wait, the First Order, they're angry, aren't they? They are mean. They're mean and evil. Grogu, you need to do something about the First Order. What are you waiting for?
That droid's a little too curious. Keep it in line, or we'll take it in for scanning. I never thought the stories were real, but you're real enough.
Alright, recruits, are you guys okay? We're part of the resistance. We gotta bring you guys out. Let's go!
Quickly, come on out. Make sure all cargo's at your feet. All cargo at your feet. Recruits, come on out, quickly.
Going to my left. Going red, silver.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you.
And those are the prisoners! We have a breach in detention block 3.
The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad! Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
So ETT Squad, I hope you enjoyed that we brought you in a Rise of the Resistance. We got more stuff to do. We're gonna go get a pair of Ashoka Tano Lightsabers and Doc Onders. They said they're available, so let's check it out. But thank God we got on this, because a lot of times when it's broken, when it breaks down, you don't get to ride on it for the till next time you come back. He's happy. Wake up, R2.
It's moving.
He's trying to wake him up. Why isn't he waking up? R2, wake up. What's your droid's name? Is it R2?
Yes.
Yes, R2. Want to give him a kiss. All right, Grogu, leave him alone. Oh! Grogu, look! Grogu, you want to get another pair of Ahsoka Tano lightsabers? Finally, right. Oh, look at these. He feels the force. Grogu, are you excited? Where's the other Ahsoka Tano lightsaber? Show them both. Yeah, Grogu wants to see both of them. Oh, he brought, look, both of them.
So you want to order?
Looks like we got the Ahsoka Tano lightsabers from Clone Wars.
How long have you had them in stock?
Did you just get them?
About 2 days.
2 days?
Yes.
Grogu's getting his own Ahsoka Tano lightsabers. We're making sure this time they work. Look at the other lightsabers they're selling right now. And actually, the Ahsoka Tano lightsabers, they just came out 2 days ago. I know the first, Ahsoka Tano's first lightsabers, those are sold out. I don't think they're bringing them back. But there's Rey's. I love Rey's lightsaber, right? It's heavier. What I like about these lightsabers, they're light. They're super light. And it comes with 2 lightsabers from Clone Wars. Yeah, let's make sure they're working. That one's working so far. Awesome. Here's the other one. Looks like they're working this time. Which that one's that's a lot heavier. Does it still come in that special box? No? Oh, those sold out, that's right. You're right, I forgot totally. Yeah, it's super heavy. It's so cool, I love, yeah. Yeah, it's super heavy, but it's so cool. I love the way this round area, what do you call these triangles? The way they fold in. It's a beauty. ETT Squad, we're looking at the Star Wars merch. First of all, Grogu is sold out. You can't find the talking Grogu. And then we stumbled upon the slave Mandalorian's Boba Fett Spaceship, which is called Slave 1. And I know we heard today that they're changing the name, right?
What's my ship's name? Let's have a chat. My ship's name is Slave 1. Period.
And there's a bunch of them, so you know this is going to be worth some money. I think we're going to get it.
You know, you asked me my opinion. I gave it. And if you don't like it, you shouldn't have asked me my opinion. But it's the honest opinion. That's my opinion. I think it should leave it well alone.
This will be cute in the office, and I think Grogu wants it. Grogu's taking a nap, but I think we're gonna buy a present for Grogu. Look, and there's a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, when we come back tomorrow, next week, sold out. Oof, like Gina Carano, sold out.
What's a bounty hunter to do? You know, this is the way.
So yeah, I think we're gonna get it, right? Slave 1. Question is, what do you think they're gonna name this spaceship? Boba Fett Spaceship. Comment below. What do you think? Wow.